What's going on, everyone? Hopefully you guys are doing great out there. Today's video is going to be kind of short and sweet. We're going to touch on my 94 Z28 and tackle the dash that everybody seems to have a problem with. Let's get the camera turned around and get at it. Okay guys, so here is my almost fully restored 94 3D3 Z28 Camaro. Now this car is painted 2009 Corvette C6 Cyber Gray, and it has black and Harley orange accented stripes, C6 wheels, C5 brakes. This thing is pretty nice, and the interior is good as well. Let me show you what is not good on this car. Up here, which the way everyone else's is the dash. Now my dash is cracked right there. Everybody's is busted up. Oh, and right there, that's a new crack. Lovely. This is coming out today, and instead of putting one of those caps on, we're going to show you how to do this the right way. Okay guys, so this is super easy. Basically, roll your windows down, take your T-tops out. First step, come over here to your A-pillars. There's these screws right here. You take these out, and these pop right off. We'll get this done. So like I said guys, it's super easy to take that A-pillar trim off. Next thing you want to do is come up here, and you can see this surround up here. You want to take your screwdriver, just a flat blade screwdriver, find somewhere where you can pry under it. There we go. This dash is just held in with clips, this section. So you just get under it, find the spot, pop it, just like that. It probably cracked actually, even further. Nope, it pulled. No, I lied, it cracked. See, these all bust up. Best bet is just yank them apart and pull all this off, pull the clips off, and get the old dash out of the way. So we're going to continue doing that. We'll show you how brittle these are. Watch. These old dashes sucked. And here is what's underneath. You guys can see it's all held in with clips and stuff like that. And then there's like an insulation here. The new dash comes with even more insulation. It's nice. It just sits right in there. Actually, this might even just pull out. I'll check in a minute. But basically, there's clips in the front. There's Velcro pieces here. It's pretty easy to put back in. I'll get the other piece here and show you, but this is just, Jesus, what a mess. Okay guys, you are going to love this. This is an actual OEM, later updated, but still the same fit, dash for the 4th gen Camaro. This is sold through GM. It is part number 10267171. Actually, if you get on eBay, you can find this thing out the door for $400. That's to your door. That's what I did. Now, it's the same gray color that they always had. Comes brand new in the package, of course. The foam on the back is pretty nice. It's just an actual foam piece. It's stuck on there. These things just basically got destroyed because people left them out in the sun. You know, these cars are, God, that one out there is 26 years old. So we're going to take this out. I'm going to get it set up. We're going to put it down in, and it's super easy. I'll show you how it goes. Guys, check this out. This is the new dash put up in here. It was all busted up and everything up there. Now, when I put the pillar trim on, it'll lay flat like you're seeing there. But this is incredible. For $400, you can get an original dash with better foam. And I left the other foam under there because my whole thought is if it doesn't vibrate as much, it should keep it from cracking in the future. But the fact is that's on there for $400. The kits that you have to spend all the time gluing and prepping and all that are like $200 plus. You're better off to go with something like this if you can afford it. Man, this is just great. And this will set your 4th gen apart from everybody's at a car show because everybody else's is cracked. And this is going to look awesome. So that'll kind of conclude the video, guys. I'm going to put the pillar trim back in. This thing's pretty much done. So see ya.